Good morning, Taurus. How you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Passion Life. And I say, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, or whatever holiday or unholiday you're celebrating with your family, your friends, or avoiding the drama. Your card for January 2025 hang out in the reverse. So this is a reading for Taurus, Sun, rising is wherever your central person is located. Let's see what you got. You got number 43, breaks down to a 7, body as an earthly temple. That's in reverse. See, do I need to cover that? Yeah, I do. There we go. So someone is not. Now, this doesn't have to be your entity, Taurus. This could be someone around you. But it feels like someone is allowing themselves to be trampled over. They're allowing more than is needed, or someone is trying to force Taurus to go above and beyond for them. Let's get into this. Let's see what else there wants to tell Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for January 2025. You're going to have the victory. Card number 44 is an air card. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, with agreement. A water card, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, card number 6. Alright, so what we have there is that I feel strongly that someone's trying to pressure you into sending more money, more time, more energy than you can afford or are comfortable with at this time. And you're looking back on a situation where there was a balance, where there was equal give and take. And this certainly doesn't feel like that situation. So let's see what's going on in the energy for Taurus for January 2025. The overall energy is the Page of Cups. Yeah, it's very unexpected. It's not. They're trying to come off very innocent-like, but their intention, their motivation seems to be including a little trickery to get you to open up your wallet, your time, your energy. Okay. Now, 10 cups, the Sun, the card of Leo, and the Hierophant, the card of, well, I like to say Taurus and Virgo, because someone was someone is portraying what they want you to do as a part of the obligation that you need to do this, that you should do this. This is for the overall happiness and clarity and overall motivation for the family, for the commitment, that if you were really committed to this person, this situation, you would do this with a smile on your face. What's the truth about it? Tell us the truth about the situation, Spirit. The Seven of Pentacles. they've done this before to you. Now, this is like your first rodeo with this person. Two of Swords. You need to block it out. And the World. You know you've been here before with this person, this situation. I don't know what's going on here. Someone who doesn't want to work wants you to pay their bills. Someone who's locked up in jail, again, wants you to pay their bill. But you need to walk away or send the crossroads go. Is this going to continue to repeat? And if it is, well, it needs to end now so I can have a new beginning. Wow. This is serious stuff. This is like the most major reason for any sign I've done so far. And you're like number 8 out of the 12. So what's advice for my Tauruses? King of Cups in reverse, Knight of Wands in reverse, King of Swords. Oh, look at that. Put me in the pushover with this person, with this place, with this. I feel like this person is trying to force you politely into this obligation on behalf of another person. This is telling you, no, it's not emotionally stable for you. It's not going to create with the Knight of Wands in reverse. It's going to keep cycling. The same shit, just a different day. And you need to cut it out with the King of Swords. Be strategic. Hold on to your time, your energy, your money. If they're not improving their situation, they don't need to be coming and taking from yours. So what's causing that not one, that repeated cycle? Yeah, the 9 of Cups. What is in your highest good? What will bring happiness? What will bring love to you? What builds, that's balance up there. What will bring a balance to the Taurus? There's the last card, the High Priestess. Follow your intuition. Something's already turning inside of you, telling you not to let go of your time, your energy, or your money. Do not invest in the 5 of Swords in reverse, because it's a losing gamble. It will keep repeating. It will keep. This person is stuck in a cycle of self-sabotage. And they're taking you down slowly with them. Well, I'm sorry. That just seems so harsh. I don't know if this is, they're called tuition, or this is their car payment, their rent. But serious advising you to put your foot down and stop allowing your energy, your time, and your money to be taken advantage of. With that, like I say, please hit like, hit subscribe, comments are turned off, so please hit like to support the channel. I love y'all. Did I tell y'all Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and any Capricorn that's cross-watching, happy birthday, namaste.